This video is sponsored by Chef Winpans.
How you doing, guys? Hope you are well. Hope you're having a fantastic week wherever you're around the world. I've got a one-pot dish, one-pot pan, whatever you want to call it. Great midweek meal for the family. A rice dish with shrimp, salsa verde, the Italian one. So, and also I've got a new pan as well to try out, so I'm excited about that. It's so simple to do this dish. The majority of the flavor, the bulk of the flavor is in the salsa verde. So we're gonna make that first, and then the rest is pretty straightforward and easy, but it's a great dish, really simple dish, and I can't wait to show you. I'm excited, so let's crack on. 11-inch stainless steel frying pan made with 3/16 stainless steel for excellent corrosion resistance, safe cooking with salty or acidic foods, and reliable flavor retention. Crafted from 3/16 stainless steel, a higher grade than 1810, offering superior corrosion resistance, used in professional stainless steel cookware. A 5-ply construction with 3.5mm thickness provides excellent durability, heat retention, and even heat distribution for professional level cooking. Compatible with all cooktops, including gas, electric, and induction. Oven safe and dishwasher safe, designed for versatile everyday cooking. It's got a spot welded handle with no screws or rivets, prevents food buildup, offering cleaner and more hygienic cooking experience. It also works as a large deep skillet and camping pan with multi-use versatility, ideal for searing, frying, or one-pan meals at home or outdoors. Okay, let's make the salsa verde. This is where the flavor's at. Add fresh parsley to a blender, followed by lemon juice. Also, use the zest if you want an extra lemon punch. Add capers, garlic, chili flakes to taste, and olive oil. Now blitz for about 15 to 20 seconds, just to get things started. Now add the oil to a consistency you like. Add to a bowl and put to one side, and look how green that is. And it smells amazing. Next, add olive oil to a pan, followed by diced onion. Now sweat for about 2 minutes, just to get the flavour out. I'm using basmati rice. It has bags of flavour and it just works for this dish. Add to the pan and lightly toast for about 2 minutes, stirring all the time. Next, add stock, bring to a light boil, then simmer. It should take around about 15 to 20 minutes for the rice to be cooked. Just keep checking it. Also, make sure all the rice is away from the edges. Around the last 4 minutes of cooking, add the shrimp and lightly stir. When cooked, add the salsa, stir, and finish with fresh mint. And if you haven't got mint, basil works fantastic. That is absolutely delicious. I'm not just saying that because I made it, it really is. It's so easy to make. I mean, you saw how easy that was. And you know, you don't really need to do much. The flavor's there with the salsa verde. Put that right at the end, give it a stir, whack, out, done. It's absolutely delicious. And basmati rice is my favorite. It works fantastic. You can use jasmine rice or normal rice. It's just got a nice flavor. The mint at the end, it's great, but also you can use basil as well, basil. Just really good. It's not meant to look good. It's meant to get in there, tuck in and eat, man. Eat. Fantastic. Good with some nice crusty bread. I love it. Really, really nice. And also, I'm really impressed with this pan. It's sturdy, it's big, it cooks well, really, really well. And that's the most important thing. It feels great in the hand as well. So yeah, it's well made. If you want one of these pans or you're interested, look, links below if you want to check it out. But yeah, I'll be using this again. But this, for me, is fantastic. Really, really good. Good meal. Try it out. I recommend it. Thanks, guys.